next thing I'm going to be showing you is called the bottom mount, and it is a building block trick. Basically, it's an element of a trick. It helps you do other tricks. I'll show you what it is and I'll explain a little bit more. The bottom mount looks like this. To do the bottom mount, you throw a good sleeper. As the yo-yo is swinging towards your body, like what you've learned with the trapeze, you're going to intersect the string with your free hand index finger, pull up with your throw hand. That'll help swing the yo-yo up and over your index finger. Whoopsies. And it'll land it on the string, just sort of like a trapeze, but you're doing it vertically. To dismount, lift up with your throw hand. It'll swing the yo-yo over and off of your free hand index finger, like so. And as it swings out in front of you, just give the yo-yo a tug and it'll come back to your hand. Now the reason I say the bottom mount is more of a building block or a trick element rather than a trick is because it is used in a whole ton of other tricks. You start with the bottom mount to go into the Braintwister. You could start it to go into one of my favorites, the Zipper trick. Generally, mounts will be used as building blocks to get more or future tricks completed. So take some time to learn the bottom mount, and I'll see you guys in the next video.